Hello everyone, welcome to the Contactx app, which takes the contacts from a Google Sheet and you don't need to maintain your contacts directory. Now, when you open the app, it first of all asks for the directory code. Since this app can be used by many organizations, every organization has a directory code which is given to its users in order to sync their directory. So I will use a demo organization. So I will enter the directory code as demo, but you take this code from your organization in order to use the directory. Now, when you click on the OK button, the contacts are synced. So you have 544 contacts in this directory which are synced, and you will see all the contacts on the screen over here. Now, if you see over here, these contacts are populated from the Google Sheet, which is updated by a single person in the organization. Here is the name of the person. Here's his position or designation. Here is the location where he is posted, and this is the category of the of this particular employee. Now, if you see over here, there are three icons. One is for the call button. When you click on the call, the phone number is called, and when you click on the tap on the landline number, the telephone, it's his landline number is called. And similarly, if you want to send a WhatsApp to this particular person, you click on the WhatsApp icon. Remember that you don't need to maintain all these numbers. All these numbers are maintained by a single person in the organization, which is automatically synced with your app. Now, if you click on a particular contact, detail of the contact is displayed to you, like his name, designation, category, landline number, cell number, and the location where he is posted. If you see at the top of the app, here it is written a number which is 544. It means that there are 544 contacts in this particular contact directory. You can also filter on some particular area. For example, if I want to look for Punjab, these are the contacts from Punjab, and the figure has changed from 544 to 88. You can also select a particular district, for example, Bakkar, and only contacts of that particular district will be displayed. If you want to clear all the contacts, the filters, you click on the filter button. Let me tell you another thing. For example, if you select the area as Punjab and you want a particular category, for example, you want RE from this particular category, so the REs will be displayed. And if you want, for example, the DEOs or the data entry operators, the data entry operators will be selected. Now, the beauty of this particular app is that you don't need to maintain all these contacts. Now, if there is some transfer or posting or new arrival in the organization, it is added by the HR department and it is automatically synced to all the devices. So that's it. If you want to have a detail about the how this app works and how organization can use this app for their employees, you can see another video which for which the link is given in the description below. Thank you very much.